And he takes off and kills me.
Canter.
Challenge accepted. We are in the game.
And go. Oh. Show your best skills to the camera. Your camera's so steady. Mine's like zzz. Oh my gosh, why does he have to be good for you? Knock on wood. Don't hit me. Oh gosh, that just gave me a heart attack. It's like I just want friends.